Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn that how you can change the currency on your Google Play Store. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store on your device. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon. From here, you need to go to the settings. Tap on the settings. From here, you need to tap on General and Account and Device Preference. So once you tap here, as you can see, country and profile. So my country and profile is Thailand. So if you can read down here, you should change your Play Store country only when you move to a new country. So because once you change your profile on Google Play Store, you need to enter your address and the credit card or debit card or any payment method that you're living in that particular country. So if you do so, you will have to create a new profile of that country, and then it will be shown here, and then you can choose that country and the country currency will be selected as well on Google Play Store. So guys, this is how you can change the currency on your Google Play Store following these steps. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, take care.